Welcome to Dr. J. Francis YouTube channel. If your spouse or family members live overseas, this new policy could change everything. On June 4th, 2025, President Trump issued a sweeping new travel ban targeting 19 countries, blocking tens of thousands of people from entering the U.S. Hi, I'm Attorney J. Francis. I'm a U.S. immigration lawyer based in Chicago and Wisconsin, but serve all 50 states. Starting June 9th, thousands of visas could be denied unless strict exemptions apply. Let's break it down exactly who is banned, who is exempt, and what this means for visa applicants, including whether K1 Fiancé visas are affected. Number one, what is Trump travel ban? This 2025 version is a presidential proclamation that restricts entry into the U.S. for nationals from 19 countries. Citing national security concerns, the administration justifies the ban using Section 212F of the Immigration and Nationality Act. According to the White House, this move targets countries with a poor identity verification, high visa overstay rates, and limited cooperation with U.S. immigration enforcement. The ban comes in two categories: a full ban for 12 countries and partial restrictions for 7 countries. According to Trump administration, this travel ban is necessary to prevent terrorism and protect national security. Also responds to visa overstay data from fiscal year 2023 overstay report and pressure countries that refuse to take back their own nationals after deportation orders. Meanwhile, critics argue that these justifications are overblown or misleading. For example, a number of overstays from these countries, some of these countries, is not high, very small. And there are already other legal tools in place to penalize non-cooperation countries. Still, the Supreme Court upheld a similar policy in Trump versus Hawaii, and this new ban is built on same legal framework. Will this ban be renewed or expanded? Answer is yes. The Secretary of State is required to review travel ban every 180 days and may recommend changes. Countries may be added or removed based on changes in vetting procedures or diplomatic relations. Let's look at both in detail. Number 2, full ban. Nationals from these 12 countries are banned from entering the U.S. under any immigrant or non-immigrant visa category. Complete ban. Afghanistan, Myanmar, Chad, Republic of the Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Haiti, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, and Yemen. This is a full shutdown. No green cards, no visitor visas, no student visas, unless a specific exemption applies. Number 3, partial ban. These countries are not under a complete ban, but they're facing serious limitation. Burundi, Cuba, Laos, Sierra Leone, Togo, and Venezuela, and Turkmenistan. For nationals from these countries, the ban suspends all immigrant visa and certain temporary visa categories, especially B1, B2, F visa, N visa, and J visas. However, they may be still eligible for other non-immigrant visas, namely H-1B or L-1 visa.
Dr. J. Francis, who exactly will be exempt from the new travel ban?
Number 4, who is exempt from travel ban? Lawful permanent residents, green card holders, dual nationals traveling with a passport from non-banned country, diplomats, NATO personnel, and UN representatives, athletes competing in major events like Olympics or World Cup, immediate relatives of the US citizens. They are spouses, children under 21, and parents, but only with strong documentation like DNA test or official records. Afghan and US government special immigrant visa holders, religious minorities fleeing persecution in Iran, refugees, asylees, and those granted withholding of removal or CAT protection. Now, this exempt list applies to both fully banned and partially banned countries. Yet, it is important to note the family members of green card holders are not exempt under this proclamation, which will create serious separation issues for many permanent resident petitioners' family. Number 5, are K1 fiancé visa banned? It is muddy and confusing. The proclamation does not mention K1 fiancé visa by name at all. It's not there. Whether it's banned or exempt is not clear from literal reading of proclamation. However, K1 visa may not be banned under current language, especially for 7 countries under partial restrictions. During Trump's first term, K1 fiancé visas were ultimately exempted from so-called Muslim travel ban. In this 2025 version, individuals from countries under partial ban, like Cuba or Venezuela, may still apply for K1 visas, although consular officers may challenge the validity of those visas at their discretion. For nationals of 12 fully banned countries, a K1 visa application will likely be blocked unless a rare national interest waiver is granted. Number 6, final thoughts. If you or your loved one is from one of the 19 affected countries, don't assume you're banned, but don't assume you're safe either. Very challenging situation, and it's confusing too. This proclamation is broad, fast-moving, and full of exceptions that require careful legal strategy. It is already drawing strong legal and political backlash and will almost certainly be challenged in court. Whether U.S. Supreme Court ultimately upholds this version, just as did in Trump v. Hawaii in 2018, remains to be seen. For personalized immigration help, visit Francis Law Center or call 877-369-2575 and reach out to our experienced team. Don't forget to like this video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for ongoing updates on immigration news and policies. Your future may depend on staying informed. Let us help you do just that. Thank you for watching. Peace be with you.